What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer website from Wix to WordPress. Now the first method is very easy. All you have to do is to log in into your Wix account and log in into your WordPress account. Then what you're gonna do right now is to simply copy the URL of your Wix website. So I have here my own website, as you can see. I'm gonna copy this URL. Then I'm gonna go to WordPress, and by this way I will only copy or transfer the content of the website. Now go to tools down right here, then click on import, then choose Wix, and now copy the URL of your Wix site. Ctrl V, then click on continue. It will take some time, just leave it till finish, then click on start import down below. Then here, as you can see, it will also load again. Now it shows me this message right here: success, your content has been imported. Click on view site right here. Now here, as you can see, it is the same content of my Wix website, but now on the WordPress. But now if you want to check the other pages right here, it will need some modifications. So this method may be a little bit useful if you want to transfer some pages of your website. Then you can do the modifications as you want. Now the second method is to manually transfer your content page by page from your Wix website to your WordPress website. But to do this, you will have to create the pages and posts in advance on your WordPress website in order to make like a template and just copy the content like this text here, for example. But this may take a lot of time if you are having a big website on Wix, and it's only useful to those who have small websites. Now the third method is to simply use a plugin. Here, as you can see, this plugin is very useful in order to transfer or migrate your content. It's called CMS to CMS. You can simply see here what actually or what type of data can be migrated with this plugin. So it's very useful. And in order to add this plugin, all you have to do is to go to your WordPress account or dashboard, then go to plugins right here and search for it, CMS to CMS. Then click on enter, and as you can see, it will show you the plugin. All you have to do is to just uninstall it and see its instructions, read it well, and see how you can actually transfer using this plugin. But it's much more easier than manual transferring. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and goodbye.